students, how are you all? This is me Anam and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn about the rational numbers. Okay, so I'm going to explain in this video that what rational numbers are and how you're going to identify them from the other three types of numbers that you have learned before. So let me give you a quick reminder of those numbers that we learned. The first one here you can see are the natural numbers. Natural numbers are the simple numbers that start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Now, the whole numbers are the one that start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So all these numbers are positive numbers. Okay, they don't carry a negative sign between them. But here is a third type of number which are known as integers, which carry negative sign and positive sign. So they start from the left side of the zero. If we draw a number line, they start from the left side of the zero and goes towards the right side of the zero. From on the left hand side, they have the negative numbers, and on the right hand side of the zero, they have positive numbers. Right? So they are known as the integers. You must have read in your previous classes. Now come towards the fourth type of numbers, which are known as rational numbers. Now, rational numbers are not natural numbers, not whole numbers, and not even integers. They are kind of fractions. Okay, so they can be in the form of p upon q, where p and q are integers. Integers mean that p and q can be negative or positive number according to the situation, and they have a condition where q is not equal to 0. The denominator cannot be 0 in case of rational numbers, because when the denominator is 0, the answer is it is undefined. Okay, and even if you put a question in your calculator and you do it like 2 divided by 0, your calculator will not give you any answer, because not everything that is divided by 0 is undefined. Okay, you can't get any answer for that. So here, the number that can be expressed in the form of p upon q, where p and q are integers. That means that they can be either positive numbers or negative numbers, and q is not equal to 0, is called a rational number. Here you have some examples like 3 upon 2, 4 upon 7, minus 2 upon 5, minus 3 upon 4, 1 upon 6, etc. All right, now let's have a look at how we're going to represent these rational numbers on a number line. So here I have drawn this number line, okay, and in the center we have 0, here we have 1, here we have 2, here we have 3. Now here at this side we are having positive numbers, okay, that's why I'm writing positive here, and here we have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Okay, now where do these rational numbers lie? If we divide each of these portions between numbers, each of these spaces between numbers on a number line divided by 4, okay, if we divide them by 4, so what we'll be getting here, like 1, 2, 3, okay, so at this point we will be getting like positive 1 upon 4, positive 2 upon 4. You know the concept of fractions, right? 3 upon 4, 4 upon 4, 1, 2, 3. That is going to be 5 upon 4. Okay. 6 upon 4. Then 7 upon 4. 8 upon 4. And then 1, 2, 3. That is going to be 9 upon 4. 10 upon 4. 11 upon 4, 12 upon 4, and so on. And on the negative side, if you divide it by like 4 parts, like they have 4 parts, it's going to be like on the totally opposite, 1 upon 4 minus 2 upon 4, minus 3 upon 4, minus 4 upon 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Here we have like minus 5 upon 4. You know that on the number line, on a number line towards the negative side, the more we move further towards the number line, the numbers go in opposite, like 1, 2, 3. And the negative number, how much bigger it is, it will be a very small number as compared to its positive version. Okay, so it's going to be minus 6 upon 4, minus 7 upon 4, minus 8 upon 4, right? Okay, so how these numbers are represented here. Okay, now let's have a look at this example. Here they say that draw a number line and represent the natural number minus 10 upon 3 on the number line. Okay. Now what they have asked us to draw a number line and tell them where this number like minus 10 upon 3 lies. So here we have drawn a number line like this. So since it's a minus, it's a negative number, we know that it is going to be on the left hand side of the 0. So here it's 0 and it's plus 1, and here it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, right? So how supposed to know that it is going to be where minus 10 upon 3 is going to lie? So first we know that we're going to divide each of these into 3 parts: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to convert this fraction into a mixed fraction, right? So it goes like this: minus 10 upon 3 is basically, what you do is, here I'm going to do in rough, you put the numerator inside and then divide it by 3. 3 3s are 9, right? Here is 1. So what you do is, the number on the top comes here, the quotient, you write it over here, the remainder as a numerator, and the divisor as the new denominator, and you put the negative number here. So it's minus 3, 1 upon 3. So now you may know that where this number is going to lie. The minus 3 and 1 upon 3. So you know that it's 1 upon 3, minus 2 upon 3, minus 3 upon 3, right? Minus 4 upon 3, minus 5 upon 3, minus 6 upon 3, minus 7 upon 3, minus 8 upon 3, minus 9 upon 3, minus 10 upon 3, and minus 11 upon 3. So you know that the number 10 upon 3 lies at this point, right? Because it's minus 3 and 1 upon 3. So the 3 minus 3, 1 upon 3 lies over here. Like minus 3 is here plus the 1 upon 3, because you're going towards the 4 side, right? The 4 minus 4 side, okay? So you're moving towards on the left hand side. So the number is getting all kind of bigger on this side. So it's going towards minus 4. So it's going to lie here. So minus 10 upon 3 is basically equal to 3, minus 3, minus 3, 1 upon 3. Minus 3 whole, 1 upon 3, right? So minus 3 is over here. It's over here. And 1 upon 3 is the first dash here, which is minus 10 upon 3. So this is how you're going to represent a number on a number line. So if you don't want to do the division process, if you don't want to convert the fraction into a mixed number, you can do another thing, that you draw a number line, and with the denominator, you know that each of the part between two numbers is divided into 3 parts. 3 parts, okay? So you're going to divide them into 3 parts and then start counting the numbers, like start from minus 1 upon 3, minus 2 upon 3, 3, minus 3 upon 3, minus 4 upon 3, start writing the numbers. Where minus 3 will come, that is your answer, and you're going to draw a circle over here to let the examiner know that minus 10 upon 3 lies over here. Okay, so this is how you're going to represent a rational number on a number line. Okay, now let's suppose that we have a number like 1, 4 upon 5, and they have asked us to represent it on a number line. So what are we going to do is, in this case, since there's no sign with it, it means that it's a positive number, and we know that it's on the right hand side of the number and it lies with the 1. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 1, 2. This is a positive sign. Now if you see here at the denominator, you have 5, which means that each of the number, the distance between these numbers is divided into 5 parts. So you're going to divide it into 5 parts: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now in this case, it's not necessary that you're going to convert it into an improper fraction to just see the location. It means that one whole and the fourth part of that division. Like this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is where 1 4 upon 5 lies. The other way is you convert this mixed number into an improper fraction, and which goes like 1 4 upon 5 is equal to 5 is multiplied by 1 plus 4, which is 9, and the denominator comes as it is. So in case of this, 0, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and you don't have to write the other one. And here we're going to start it as, this is 0, okay, it will be 0, 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5, 5 upon 5. Then it's going to be 6 upon 5, 7 upon 5, 8 upon 5, 9 upon 5. And this is going to be 10 upon 5. So here you can see that 9 upon 5 lies here. Just one partition before the 2. So both methods can be used to represent a rational number on a number line. Okay. So this was my today's video. It is the part 1 of the whole topic. Okay, so this was an introduction to the rational numbers to give you an idea that what rational numbers are. They are basically the fractions. It can be positive fraction, it can be a negative fraction. Okay, so this was my today's lecture. I hope you understand it well. See you in my next video, which will be on operations on rational numbers, which is going to be the part 2 of this video. So meet you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.